So in the two-wheeler space, Bajaj Auto is expected to post the best results among the rest, as strong exports for the company should partially offset the impact from the domestic sales loss. The second wave did hit the numbers for the company on a sequential basis, where we see that the volumes declined 14% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, but comparing it to the small base of the last year, every parameter might show more than double the growth from what was recorded last year. Firstly, let's take up the revenues expectation this time. That is expected to be up almost 140% on a YY basis, with numbers expected at 7,333 crores. The profit figure is expected to be double from what was recorded last year, from 528 crores which was recorded last year. This time the profit is expected at 1,089 crores. Operationally, the EBITDA is expected to be a 193% on a YY basis, but at the same time that will be 21% decline on a sequential basis. On account of that, the margins are also expected to decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis, with 140 basis point hit to the margins is expected on account of a higher commodity pricing and decline in the export incentives, and also negative operating leverage playing in for the company. But at the same time, talking about margins, the price hike taken by the company in the past and a sharp 10 percentage point jump in their export mix on a quarter-on-quarter basis should provide some support to the margins as well. The net realization this time is expected to be up 5% on a YY basis. But apart from the headline numbers, we will be watching out for what is the management outlook on their three-wheeler business, as they claim that they are now the leaders in all the major segments. So what is the growth outlook going ahead? We will be watching out for that. And apart from this, what is their outlook on the demand in their key export market, as we see that the overseas business has been doing really well for the company. Also, the chip shortages, what is the update there? Because in the past, the company did highlight that the chip shortages did impact some of the production or model productions for the company. So what is the update there? We'll be watching out for that. And apart from this, in the annual report, the company did highlight that they will be coming up with some of the awaited launches, the product launches in this financial year itself. So any timeline on that for the launches will be taken as positive as well. Talking about the stock performance in the past 1 month, the stock has been an underperformer with a 7% decline in the past 1 month. So let's see how the stock reacts post the numbers. But as per the brokerages, they are still holding positive. Majority are giving up a buy rating on the stock, with the highest target given up by Bernstein, where they maintain their outperform rating on the stock with a target price of 4,110 rupees. So all eyes on Bajaj Auto on Q1 FY22 numbers.